Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. In this video, I want to briefly share with you how to be a more productive engineer this week. First of all, big shout out to my audience in the UK, audience in Australia, audience in the US, audience in India, and my audience in Ireland. And personal shout out to people that have been encouraging me to make more videos, such as James, Jas, Jockster, Wayne, Plum Like Tom, Apps Plumbing. All the best with your channel and Plum Like Tom and Apps. Keep up the good work, influencing the industry to do better. Okay, in this video, how to be more productive. Don't work just to look busy. I know we all do it. We want to appear that we're working. When somebody walks in the room, we almost work for eye service and other people enter the room. Have you ever been in a plant room where there's a camera before? But doesn't it give you a sense of self-consciousness to work a bit harder or to work better or not to do anything silly whilst the camera's on you? Well, imagine though you had a camera on you all the time. Don't work just to look busy, to make phone calls, to appear that you're actually doing work. Actually, genuinely try to be productive. Avoid distractions. So your phone can be a benefit, but it can also be a distraction. You can spend a lot of time on apps like TikTok or on YouTube watching videos or on WhatsApp or on Facebook. But make sure that when you're on these platforms that you know why you're going on these platforms, because they are designed to keep you on there, to draw you in and waste your time. Some of them will help you to learn or be beneficial, or you will actually need to be on there. And others will just distract you from doing your work. So when you're at work, when you're making those phone calls or when you're doing things, remember that your time is precious and your time is your employer's when you're at work and they're paying you for your time. It's a business transaction. They're giving you money for your time. So when you're there, do what you can to enhance their company's reputation and to make them money and to enhance your own reputation as well. So try to avoid being distracted. Even when you have maybe colleagues calling you to gossip about something, or can you believe this or believe that, if it's not of any use or any benefit, deal with that later. Focus on the job at hand. Have a list. Use pen and paper. Individuals don't use pen and paper as much as they once did, but you should use pen and paper. Sometimes the old methods are the best methods. Have a list of what you want to achieve for the day, because we can be like people chasing butterflies or running round without any purpose if we do not know what our task is at hand. So when you start work, know what your main objective is and what you have to do. Step 1, step 2, step 3. You're not having to think to yourself, what am I doing here today? What's my next task? You have a list. You can have a to-do list as well, not just for that job at hand, but other things that you have to do before the end of the day. It may be your timesheets. It may be to contact somebody. But have a list. Do not depend on your memory to go through what you have to do on site or what you have to do when you're not in the plant room. Have a list and try to have time allocation for those lists. I don't know if you've ever studied before, but when you are studying and you have a lot to do, if you spend all your time studying one part of 3 modules and do not spread the time out wisely and redeem the time wisely on all 3 tasks, then you're going to run out of time and not be able to study the whole of the subject. So it's just like when you're working and you have a day at work. Have time allocation. Say to yourself, for this task, I'm going to try to do it realistically between 30 minutes and 60 minutes. Time allocate. Not just when you're at work, it's good to do that when you're at home as well. Have some realistic targets of rest and work. I don't know if anyone's suffering from hay fever, if it's just me, but one thing that has been hindering me in my work recently has been hay fever. Despite taking antihistamine tablets, I have been struggling. So a big tip to you is to get those COVID masks back out and put one on yourself if you're struggling with hay fever and your tablets are not working. Also put on those sunglasses because they can stop the pollen from getting in your eyes. It's not just hay fever, but illness can disrupt you from working, whether you're not eating well, drinking enough water, sleeping well. These things can make you less productive in your work. Okay, guys, so thank you for joining me. I hope that helps. Please share some other comments below, what you believe has helped you be more productive. Don't be shy. And also check out some other channels as well. Check out CP Utility Solutions. A lot of people have been recommending his channel to me. MJ Tiff Plumbing. Wow, I don't think I've seen any YouTuber grow as fast as him. Well, not in the building industry. He has grown so quick. And I know he puts time in his channel. PB Plumber, I haven't checked in on him recently. And also there's Plum Like Tom, another good channel to check out. Until next time, bye bye bye.